Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Hope you are good. So in this video today, I'm going to be exposing the simplest swing trading strategy you will ever see on YouTube, right? So you might be wondering, swing trading strategy in 1 minute time frame, who does that? Right? All right, we are not doing it in 1 minute time frame, guys. We are going up to 4 hours time frame to do this, right? It's the most simplest strategy you have come across on YouTube about swing trading, and this is the first time I'm creating a swing trading strategy in this channel. You know, I'm a day trader and I keep creating strategies on day trading, but today I've decided to do something very different with a live trading, guys. Okay, so now if you are a swing trader and you have been watching my video, I think this is your time to shine. All right, you as a trader, as a day trader, you can equally switch and try out this swing trading strategy because it's so simple and easy without stress. We are going to be using only candlesticks. Okay, only candlesticks. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this strategy is simple, and I will share with you the sketch. Okay, let me sketch something for you to understand how this strategy looks. Okay, so first off, you want to see, let me share with you the bearish example. Then you know that the opposite is the bullish example, right? So if the price is pushing all the way to the downside this way, okay, you are seeing the price dropping this way. Okay, at a point you want to see a bullish candle. Okay, you want to see a bullish engulfing candlestick right here. So this is exactly what you want to see. After you have seen a bullish engulfing, you want to see a wick, okay, of that bullish candle that engulfs. Okay, you want to see a wick under it. Okay, you might have high this way, okay, a small wick above, but what you want is you want the wick to cover, okay, the previous bearish candle, right? So if you look at this particular candlestick pattern right here, this candlestick pattern right here, that is a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. But let me share with you another thing that might be confusing you, so I want you to understand this strategy. Okay, so this is also price dropping, okay, and at a point maybe you now see a candlestick pattern, okay, which is, this is also a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Okay, so this particular pattern here is also a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. But for this strategy, the one you need is this one. You don't want this one. Okay, both of them are bullish engulfing, but you want this bullish candle, the wick of the bullish candle, the low of the bullish candle, to go way below the closing and even the low of the bearish candle, the previous candle. You can see this wick, okay, went below this closing of this bearish candle. So that's exactly what you want, right? Once you see that, what you're going to do is that you simply place your trade at the close of this bullish candle here. You place your buy, set your stop loss at the low of that candle, and your TP should be at least ×2. Okay, this trade can run within 1 day, 2 days, can even take up to 3 days. Okay, but the profit is massive, guys. Okay, so just a quick example, the kind of live example is this one. Okay, look at this particular candlestick pattern right here. So let me just zoom in. So you see this is exactly what I'm explaining. You can see that this bullish engulfs the bearish candle. Not just engulfing it, you can also see that the wick of this candle went below the low of the bearish candle. This is exactly what you want. You don't just want a bullish engulfing candle just like something like this. You don't want this. You want the wick of this bullish candle to go way below the low of this bearish candle. That's exactly what you want. All right, so let me give you an example. Let's see if we can get any example right here. You know, the opposite is the for selling. Okay, this is for a buying example right here. Okay, the opposite is selling. So let's check if we can get anyone here. All right, so look at this one right here. Look at this one right here. Can you see these two candlesticks? We have the bearish engulfing candlestick right here. Not just the bearish engulfing. Look at the high of this bearish candle. Covered the high of the bullish candle, and at the same time closes below the closing of the bullish candle, which is simply a bearish engulfing candlestick right here. Okay, so you can see how the formation is. Okay, you can see the formation. So when you see such bearish engulfing, okay, you place your trade at the close of this bearish engulfing. Your stop loss should be above, okay, above the high which is there. TP should be times 2, times 3, or times 4 depending. Okay, so if you look at this, this is supposed to be your stop loss level, okay, high of that candle. So you can see after the price rally around like about 12 hours or so, okay, the price dropped massively to the downside. You can see that massive drop, okay, massive drop. Can actually give you, this can actually give you more than 1:4 risk reward. Okay, you can see how the price drop all the way to this level. Okay, and the price still dropping. You can see the price drop to this level. So this is more than 1:6 risk reward. This is exactly what you want to see. Okay, so we can still check and see if you can get other example right here. Okay, so let's see if we can get another example. So we check. All right, so now look at this one again. You have another example right here. Okay, you can see that the low, you can see where the low of this candle, okay, covered the low of the bearish candle, and the high of the closing of this candle completely, the price of this particular candle closes above the bearish candle, which is a bullish engulfing candlestick right there. Okay, this bullish candle engulfs the bearish candle, and the low also, okay, engulfs the low of the bearish candle. This is exactly what you want. You make your entry here, your stop loss here, your TP times 2 of your entry. All right, as simple as that. Okay, let's see if we can get other examples right here. Let's see if we can get other example, maybe buying or selling. Okay guys, so look at another example right here. Look at another beautiful example right here. You can see this one here. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing candlestick. Look at that bullish candle. At the end of the day, you look at the wick of that bearish candle, went above the high of that bullish candle, and look at the engulfing. This is exactly what you want, guys. Okay, so you just simply place your trade at the close of this candle, stop loss above here, your TP times 2 or 3 or 4. Okay, this strategy, guys, so simple and sweet. So simple and sweet. Let's see if we can get more. So you can still see this. Look at another one. You can see a bullish engulfing right here. Okay, look at the low, look at the closing, and after that you enter your trade here, stop loss here, TP times 2. As simple as that. This trade can take up to a day or 2 days, but at the end of the day, it is so profitable, guys. You just have to wait for it. Be patient and wait for it. So once you see it, you are going to make money. Look at another one, guys. It keeps happening. Look at another one. Look at another one. So you make your entry at this point, your stop loss below here, your TP times 2. You can see how massive this price go. I don't even have to keep going back to keep back testing this, but I'm just sharing with you what happens, what you can actually trade. Very simple and easy. You can see we are profit on this one. Okay, the price is actually going our way. So it's simple, guys. It's simple and interesting. So if you like this kind of content, if you're a swing trader, I want you to drop a comment. Okay, let me know how many persons watching this video trade, maybe hold their trade for 2 days or 3 days, or daybreak. Okay, if you're a swing trader, drop swing. I want to see you drop swing in the comment section. If I get a lot of comments, okay, on this video, I'm going to modify this strategy and share with you how you can actually take advantage of this strategy. Okay, how you can take advantage of this strategy. And also I will create the day trading part of this strategy. Okay, because you can still trade this as a day trader, but you are not going to make your entry is not going to be on 4 hours time frame. I can still share with you guys how to make entry on 15 minutes time frame as a day trader. So if you are also a day trader, let me see in the comment section day trader, okay, or day trading. So I want to see swing trading for swing traders, and I want to see day trading for day traders. in the comment section, guys. So like this video, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel or you are not a subscriber yet. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, very important, guys. If I'm creating this kind of content, taking my time, research, backtest, and bring this kind of content, and you are not liking the video, it's not encouraging, guys. So if you have not liked my video since you are watching my video, I have not liked my video before, please like this one. Like this one, it will take you anything. Just click that button, like, click subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and also share this video so that it can get to a lot of people also who might be in need of this kind of strategy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stick around. Bye for now, guys.